In the video, a 2000 pulse laser cleans the oxide layer on the surface of cast aluminum. The materials are the same, and the comparison of the cleaning effects of multi-mode and single-mode laser types is shown. After cleaning, you can see that the multi-mode cleaning machine works better. In this video, the thick oxide scale on the metal surface is being cleaned. It can be seen that the multi-mode pulse cleaning machine is difficult to remove oxide scale, but the single-mode cleaning machine can clean it. This video shows cleaning and rust removal. For this shallow layer of rust, multi-mode single-mode pulse laser can remove it, but the effect after multi-mode cleaning is better and the damage to the surface of the material is less.